In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play hardcore modes here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. This is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this, but before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But this is going to work the exact same on PC or console. What you're going to want to do is obviously load into the multiplayer menu and then select find a match down in the bottom left. And from here, go up to this little quick play section up here. Go ahead and click on the filter option right next to it, and you're going to see an option right over to the right of core that says hardcore. Go through this and check every single one of the game modes that you actually want to go ahead and play. I'm going to check all of them, but if there's specific ones that you don't want to play, for example, hardcore kill confirmed, you could uncheck that one and you'll be good to go. But also, I recommend going back to the core section and unchecking all of them just in case, so it doesn't accidentally filter to it. After you do check everything though, simply go ahead and just hit quick play up at the top, and it's going to begin matchmaking you into any of the hardcore game modes that you just selected. Now, hardcore does play a lot differently from core. The time to kill is way faster and friendly fire is on, so you can accidentally or even intentionally take out a teammate. It's definitely not for everyone, but in my opinion, it's great for camo grinding since headshots and eliminations are so much easier to get. If you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.